Internet Shea Beauty and welcome to my channel. I finally straightened my hair after 5 years. I'm really happy because this is something different for me. So if you'd like to see how I straighten my hair, then keep on watching. I'm starting on freshly washed hair, of course, as I always do, before I style my hair, and I will link the actual wash day video that prepped my hair for straightening in the iCards and also down below in the description box. That wash day, it just prepped my hair to make sure that it was strong and more resistant to damage. Now I'm just going to separate my hair into 4 sections so I can have better manageability and control over my hair. Here's the first section that I'm going to be working on, and I'm also going to show you the back view. I know many of you appreciate that, so between this whole video, I'm going to show you the front and the back view. I am applying water in my hair first just to add a little bit of moisture, and then I'm going to squeeze that water in my hair just to make sure that my hair is actually receiving that moisture. Now I'm going to apply my first product, and it's from It's a 10. It's their Miracle Leave-In product. I chose to use this one because of its many beneficial claims, like repairing the hair, adding shine, smoothing and controlling frizz, sealing and protecting the hair from color, detangling, preventing split ends, stopping hair breakage, creating silkiness, enhancing natural body, flat iron, and thermal protector. So I have heard many great reviews. Also, the claims seem really good. It's supposed to be an excellent nourishing treatment that could be used alone or as a restorative styling product to leave hair soft and bouncy. And right on top, I chose to apply the KeraCare leave-in conditioner because it has amla and shiitake in there to help moisturize the hair. Also, it helps to seal the hair's cuticle, balance the hair's pH, helps to preserve elasticity, strength, and health of natural hair. I sectioned this quadrant in half, and I'll be using my Dyson Supersonic hair dryer to help dry my hair. I'm also using the styling concentrator, and I like this one because it really helps to make sure that my roots are dry and nice and smooth all the way down to my ends. That's going to be very important. I want my roots to be nice and smooth, also my ends. I'm applying medium heat and air to this subsection, and I'm also going to use my diamond brush just to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth. I'm telling you, having tools that you use while styling your hair, it makes a big difference. Using the diamond brush, because it has so many teeth in there, it's going to get my hair nice and smooth. As I'm blow drying my hair, I'm just going to sandwich my hair in between the Dyson styling concentrator and the diamond brush so that my hair is pulled nice and taut and I have a nice smooth blowout. In this step, it's important that you do take your time and you just make sure that your hair is nice and smooth from the roots all the way down to the ends. For me, because I wanted my hair to be really straight, I'm spending a good amount of time on the blow drying process and also putting the styling concentrator against my roots at all different angles, so from the top, the bottom, and the side. Next, I press the cool button just to help seal this blowout. I remember years ago when I always flat ironed my hair, I wanted to make sure that I locked in the blowout because my hair was more resistant to getting frizzy, puffing out from sweat, and all of that. I just want my hair to be straight as long as it can. I'm going for maybe 2-3 weeks if I can, because it's been a while since I last flat ironed my hair, almost 5 years. So I just want this to last as long as it can. I'm not sure when I will flat iron my hair, so I just want to preserve the moment. I'm going to repeat this technique, just dividing each quadrant in subsections. The back, I had to divide each quadrant into 4 just to make sure that I got a nice smooth blowout. So if you have to continue to separate your hair when you're styling, just do so it's better for you and you can have better control and manageability. Your style will come out so much better. And I'm going to continue blowing my hair out till it's nice and smooth, and then I'm going to use the cool setting on the blow dryer just to make sure that I seal the blowout in so that my hair is more resistant to getting frizzy. And when I go outside and you know that sweat and how your roots can puff up, this really helps to prevent that. So I'm just going to keep going and you will see my process. And after I blow dry each subsection individually, I like to remove the clip and then blow dry the whole section, what I have blow dried already as a whole. So as I do the third subsection, I will be combining it with the first two. And here's how the first section looks blow dried. I do feel in my roots just to make sure that they're 100% dry, because if they're not, when I do go to flat iron it, it can burn my scalp, and that is not what I'm looking for. I want to make sure that all of my hair is completely dry. And here's how it looks in the back. And here's the size of a subsection that I'm going for. It's easier for me to blow dry my hair this way. If I have too much hair, I find that I'm not really getting in the roots, and I want to make sure that my roots are nice and straight and dry, so that when I do go to flat iron my hair, that I don't have any problem and I just could smooth through with one pass. I also like to brush my hair in this subsection because I want to ensure that there's no tangles, so when I do go to use the blow dryer with the brush, I could brush through my hair with ease. And here's a visual representation of what I meant when I say I blow dry my hair from all angles, from the top, the bottom, and the sides, because I want to make sure that all of my hair is as straight as I can get it with the blow drying process. And here's another quadrant done. For my flat iron, I'm going to use the same one that I did 5 years ago. They don't have it on their website currently, but they have one similar that I will link down below in the description box. And here's how my hair looks after a good blowout. And seeing my hair blown out like this was a really good feeling. My hair is so full, voluminous, and healthy, most importantly. I'm separating my hair into 3 sections, 1 in the back and then 2 in the front. And using this Rattail comb, I just bought it and I think that I'm really going to enjoy it to help create clean parts, not really for smoothing. My other Rattail comb I love for parting and smoothing products in, but this one, it just gives me more precision. I'm applying a little of the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I remember when I flat ironed my hair all the time, this was one of my favorite products because if I applied it to my hair before I blow dried it, it helped to prime it and speed up the drying process, so I got silky smooth results. Also, it's humidity resistant and it is a lightweight, so while I'm applying a lot of products, these products are lightweight. It also helps to seal the hair cuticle, leaving hair frizz-free in any weather. So I like it. My hair is nice and smooth and shiny. I also sprayed a good amount of this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Defense Spray in my hair just to help shield it against any heat damage. I want my hair to be nice and straight, but I don't want, when it's time to revert back to curly, I get heat damage. So I sprayed a good amount of that. I also sprayed it in the Denman brush and smoothed it in my hair just so that I can make sure that it's distributed well and even. I do use a chasing method, but I use a brush just because of the bristles. It's going to give me that good tension that I need to make sure that my hair can be nice and straight without having to go over it multiple times. Also, my hair is nice and smooth. So I already did a couple sections for you, but my sections are very small, as you could see. I'm going to place the brush right underneath my hair and then use the flat iron, go over my roots twice, and then one pass all the way down. My sections are very small because I need the place to touch each other. That way I can get a nice even press. And by the way, the temperature is on 400. I know you could see some steam coming from the flat iron, and that's because of the products, not my hair burning. I will show you my process several more times just so you can get the gist if you like to do it this way as well. And my hair has grown a lot, and I'm so happy. As I've already mentioned to you several times before, I am aiming for tailbone length, and I know that I will get down to it. My hair feels very smooth, silky, and lightweight. Being lightweight is very important for me because I do layer my products to get the benefit for my hair. But if my hair was weighed down, especially on day one, it's just not going to have that movement that I want, and it's not going to last. The style is not going to last as long as it can. I do have my dry shampoo and plan to use that just to help me preserve this style. Also, because my hair is straight, the natural oils travel down so fast, it doesn't have to spiral around or curl. So it's just important for me to watch any oils that I do put on my hair. And here's how the back section looks after I have flat ironed it. And as I get to the front of my hair, I like to take a very small subsection and just go over it with the flat iron to make sure that my edges are straight as well. And here's how my hair looks after I have fully straightened it. And here's the back of my hair. It's so full, very healthy. It's not as straight as I wanted it to be, but I know as I continue to wrap my hair for nighttime maintenance, it will get flatter. I also use the KeraCare Silken Seal Liquid Sheen just to add a little bit more shine to my hair. I really like it. It smells great, and it just gives me that overall polished look. I will be adding a wig cap on my hair for my nighttime maintenance as I wrap my hair, so you will see my process for this. And after I finish wrapping my hair, I put the wig cap right on top. This just helps to make sure that my hair is nice and compressed so that the next day as I unwrap it, it can be a little flatter and just helps preserve the overall style. Of course, I put my silk scarf right on top to help keep the wig cap in place. Then I'll go to bed, and the next day you will see, and also a week later, how my hair looks. And here's the very next day. I will admit I was hot. I was doing a little bit of exercises. Plus I have the heat on about like 78 degrees in the house. But nonetheless, my hair still looks good. You're gonna see how it looked exactly a week later. And I really like how it looks a week later versus now. Fast forward a week later, I've still been wrapping my hair every night, and here is how it looks. And I had to give myself a side part. I'm using one comb that I got from Forever 21, part of their 2-piece comb set, and I'm going to style my hair like this. And look at how long my hair is. I'm so happy, and it's only going to get longer from here. And here's how the back of my hair looks after a week, and it still looks good. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.